Hey guys, welcome back to Exotic Cuisine. I hope you all are doing good. Today I will be showing you on a recipe with mangoes and chocolate. Using them both, we will create a wonderful recipe called Mango Chocolate Delight. So before mangoes go out of season, let's make this wonderful recipe and see our ingredients. So here are the ingredients guys. यहाँ पर मेरे पास है half a liter full fat milk. 250 grams chocolate grated. You can take any chocolate of your choice, but I would prefer Mode or any dark chocolate. Here I have 1 packet Mary Biscuit crumb. You can take again, it is on you, up to you, whichever biscuits you like, digestive, Oreo, etc. So here I have taken Mary Biscuit crumb, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, few walnuts, and mango. This I will make into pieces, and 3 tablespoons sugar. So let's start making our chocolate delight. So we will boil our milk with adding sugar in this, and we'll boil this for a 1 boil. So let's cook our sugar into the milk. So let me share a few things about the dessert. This dessert is inspired by one of my friends, and I liked it. We entire family liked it very much, so I thought to share with you all. So in this dessert I'll be showing you 5 layers, how to plate up this dessert, how to boil this dessert, that I'll be showing you. And now we'll add the chocolate. Our milk is boiled and we'll add the chocolate. Our chocolate and milk is mixed nicely, so I'm adding corn flour. After adding corn flour, now I have added custard powder mixed with water. So that way mixing water will not give lumps to our delight, and it will be smooth. You all can see it has started thickening. We'll cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes until this reaches to a desired consistency. You all can see this has reached to a fine nice consistency, and now I'll off the flame. और इसको पकाते वक्त हमको कंटिन्यू स्टर करना है ताकि बॉटम में नीचे स्टिक ना हो. इफ यू डू नॉट स्टर दिस कंटिन्यूअसली, देन विल नॉट गेट द गुड रिजल्ट्स ऑफ डिलाइट. आफ्टर इट कूल्स डाउन, we'll set this in a fridge because you all can see it's still runny, and we need to thicken this little more. So we'll set this in a fridge for 1 hour while our chocolate delight is resting in a fridge. So we'll cut our mangoes into pieces. You all can see our chocolate delight has thickened nicely, the consistency we want it into. So let's plate our dessert. This is a Mary Biscuit crumb, but you all can take digestive Oreo, whichever of your choice, and you all can add a butter also if you wish, but I am just keeping it simple. So first layer I have made with the Mary Biscuit crumb, and now I am adding our delight, 1 layer of delight. You all can see how beautiful this already is looking. First layer of Mary Biscuit crumb, second layer of our delight, and third layer of walnut. So how beautiful our dessert is looking. You all can break the walnut, and 1 more layer of a chocolate delight onto this. And on this will go mangoes. I am using mango since it's our mango chocolate delight, but you all can use raspberries, strawberries, orange, etc. for the change, and you can give your explore your own horizons. So let's decor one with the red berries. चलिए अब इसको टेस्ट करते हैं. लेट मी डिग इनटू दिस. I can't tell you in words how delicious and amazing this has turned out. If you really want to enjoy such recipes, do try this at home. Let me know in comment box, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.